I'm going to be real right here. Social media networks make your followers stop when scrolling, make them actually read the post, and also catch the eye of the viewer, making an engagement with the audience. This is why it's so important to create them in a very beautiful way. Coming up with great content is hard enough already, so I recommend using a pre-designed template that allows you to create without worrying about the designing aspects such as sizes, accurate fonts, or quality. I use Placeit to create all my campaigns. It doesn't matter if you're not a designer. By following some simple steps, and by steps I mean clicking and deciding, you will get something beautiful. These professional designs are made to catch the eye of your social media followers in less than 5 minutes. Yes, 5! Since we're constantly uploading new content, you can find the latest social media graphics over at Placeit. Here's another tip. Don't stay only on one social network. To stay on top of all, be sure to include Instagram videos in your feed and stories. This year, let your thumbnail, intro videos, or Insta stories speak for you. Social media images are an absolute must to promote your business and connect with potential customers. Visual content helps you establish your brand's identity. Now let me know in the comments if this video was helpful, and if you want me to make more videos talking more and in a specific way about social media images. You can find the links down in the description box. And don't forget to like and subscribe.